Hello guys and welcome. In this tutorial we're going to connect basically Google Sheets to WordPress using make.com and build an automation that publishes new blogs directly from a spreadsheet. It is very simple, powerful, and saves hours of manual work. As in the previous tutorial, we're going to use Make, which is a very powerful automation tool, and it has lots of integration that you can use, and you can get started for free even, and you don't even require like a credit card, and it's not like for 7 days, it's actually forever. There's no time limit, which is amazing. So let's just click on get started for free and sign into your account. Now, first of all, guys, to let Make talk to your WordPress sites, we need API access, okay? So I just want you to go, first of all, to your WordPress page, and I want you to go to your admin panel, okay? So just go to WordPress admin panel. And now what I want you to do is I basically want you to go to your, users, and then click on profile, and then click on application or scroll down to application passwords. All right, and now you're basically going to be asked to create like a new application password. Okay, so you're going to have to create like a new app, and we're just gonna name it. Okay, so we're just gonna give it a name, which is going to be like Make Integration. This can be our name. All right, and now you basically have to click where it says I'm going to write it for you, add new app password. All right, so just copy this app that this password that you're going to create and save it, okay? Because we are going to need it, okay? Just copy this password, all right? We're going to need it later. Also, it's actually very convenient if you keep your site URL in handy, okay? Like copy it. Now, back to Make, we're going to create a new scenario as usual. This is going to be like our visual integrations, okay? So we're going to start with a new trigger, and we're going to select actually Google Sheets. Now we're going to select this action, which is going to be watch new rows. This model is going to trigger when a new row is added. So let's click in here, guys. I want you to click also on create a connection. That's going to basically ask you to sign in with your Google account. So just do so, okay? Just click on sign in with Google. Speaking of Google Sheets, guys, we actually have to create a new Google Sheet data, okay? So what are we going to do is we're going to create a survey table with different headers, okay, which I'm going to show you here. So one header, for example, can be title. That's nice. Another one can be content. Another one can be tags. These are going to be basically comma separated values. And another one can be status. All right, guys, this is going to be our headers. What I'm trying to do here, by the way, is to create a sheet which is going to have columns for, the blog title, the blog content, the different tags, and the status of the post, okay? So basically, when a new row is added to this, sheet, Make is going to grab this data, okay? I'm also going to give this a name, which is going to be blog post, in order to, make it more easier for me. And now, back in Make, we basically have to go to our Google Sheets model, and we have to click on Spreadsheet ID. And, we have to refresh this. Just give me a second here. Click on here to refresh, and there we have our blog post. Now this is actually the first sheet, as you can see in here. So we're actually going to click on this. And table contains header. I want you to click on yes, because that is exactly why we created these headers in here, okay? So click on yes. Now, row with headers, you can leave this to default, but I always like to be specific. So I'm just going to say from A1 to D1 actually, okay? These are the cells that contains our headers, all right? The limit, you can keep it to 2 or 3. It doesn't really matter. Now guys, I just want you to add like a new model, and in this case we're gonna look for a WordPress model, okay? There we have it in here. And now I want you to create, just click on WordPress, better, okay? And let's try to look for create a post. Let's see if we can find it. Okay, it's actually here. Let's click on it. Amazing. Now guys, do you remember the first step when I asked you to basically add like a new app password, and to copy that password, the API key? This is exactly where that step is going to come in handy. You're going to have to click on the, on create a connection here on the WordPress module. And now you're basically going to have to, first of all, copy paste your, address, your web page, which is what I told you to do before. And most importantly, your API key, okay, the password that I told you before. This is where you have to paste it, all right? So just do so and click on save. And now guys, as usual, you're going to have to map the different, fields from the Google Sheet, actually table, like the title, the content, the text, and the status, to the same, to basically the title, the content, the text, and the status, but in your WordPress news site. This is the post that you're trying to create, okay? That's very easy. The title is basically going to be like the sheet title column. The content is just going to be the sheet content in here, this cell. The tags are going to be this one, and they're optional. And the status, you can map directly, okay? It can either be published or draft, okay? So that's up to you completely. Now, once you finish, I just want you to click on run once, and that's going to test basically your automation. Then you have to come up to your, Google Sheets, and you have to add like a new row just for trying, just for trials. If everything is working, you will see a green check mark, and the post should appear in WordPress within seconds, okay? So that's how you can try it. You can also modify the update frequency by clicking in here, guys, okay? And you can just modify this. And there you have it, guys, a powerful no-code automation that is going to take your blog post ideas from a spreadsheet straight to your website, okay? Automatically. That's pretty much it, and thank you so much, guys.